Hello children, welcome to your chemistry class. As you know, we are continuing our periodic properties and their variation in periods and groups. So we have almost completed all the properties, only one left, that is your metallic character or electropositivity. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the metallic character and non-metallic character. So what does the term mean? So the metallic character means it is the tendency of an atom to lose one or more electrons when some energy is supplied to it. That means what? From the valence cell, the removal of or the loss of one or more electrons after applying the energy, okay, or after supplying the energy is called the metallic character. For example, here we will see sodium and magnesium. So in sodium the valence electron is 1 and in magnesium the valence electron is 2. So when sodium loses its 1 electron to become stable and to form positive charged ions after applying some energy, it is called the metallic character. So here you can see your energy is here applied here, okay, and 1 electron, the removal of 1 electron takes place here. After that your sodium become positive and stable, okay. Same in the magnesium, these 2 electrons should be removed to form positive charged ions. So your 2 electrons removed here and it becomes stable and positive charged ion, okay. Then we will read factors affecting your metallic character. That there are 2 factors, that is your atomic size and ionization potential. So like other property, you will take the same factor only, that is your atomic size and ionization potential, okay. So you know across a period your atomic size decreases, okay, and down a group your atomic size increases. So here you can see this is your third period, okay. So here you can see, sorry, this is your second period, okay, sorry, second period. Here you can see the atomic size how it decreases from left to right. So if atomic size decreases, your metallic character will increase or decrease. So remember, so if the metallic character, if the atomic size decreases, then obviously your metallic character also decreases and non-metallic character increases. Because so here you can see how the atomic size is decreasing. So here the electrons surrounded by the nucleus, the electrons are more attracted towards the nucleus. So there will be more attraction between the nucleus and other electrons. So there the electrons cannot removed easily, okay. So we have to put more force, okay. So that's why here metallic character decreases. Like this way your metallic character decreases, okay. If the atomic size decreases, your metallic character also decreases. Your metallic character will be possible if the atomic size is large, because if the atomic size is large, then the outermost valence electron are very far from the nucleus, then easily it can be removed. That's why decreasing in the atomic size, decreasing in the metallic character also, okay. So remember this. This is your Akrosa period. Okay. So you know the atomic number increases, then the nuclear charge also increases. Yes. And then your atomic size decreases, because by moving from left to right, your valence electron increases in each step. So valence electrons are increasing means their atomic size is decreasing. Okay. Then as your atomic size decreases, the electrons are held tightly, and hence the easy to lose electron decreases. That means they can't lose the electrons easily, because atomic size decreasing means the distance from your outer valence shell to nucleus is very nearer. So your electrons cannot be easily loose. Okay. Hence your metallic character decreases. Okay. Then this is your Downer group. So Downer group, you know that metallic character, atomic size your increases. Here you can see how your atomic size increases. So Downer group, this one is your which group? This one is your first group. Okay. So here the atomic size increases easily, you can see here. So atomic size increases means the outermost valence electron to your nucleus, this distance is very far. That means the valence electrons are very far from the nucleus. As they are very far from to each other, the attraction will be not there. There will be one, okay, attraction will be not there. Okay. So applying a less energy, we can easily remove the electrons. So here the metallic character increases. Okay. And your non-metallic character decreases. Your metallic character increases and metallic character decreases down a group. Then this one, your in case of the group, your nuclear charge increases. If the nuclear charge increases, the number of cells increase successively. You can see your Downer group, your atomic size increases. Okay. And you know the number of cells also increasing there in each step. Okay. And your, like this way, your atomic size increases. Atomic size increases means electrons are held loosely, because the outer valence electron to the nucleus, they are very far from each other, and it will be easier to lose the electrons easily. Okay. So as the outermost valence electrons very far from the nucleus, there will be very easy to lose the electrons, and hence your metallic character increases. Okay. So this is across a period your metallic character decreases, and down a group metallic character increases. Okay. Here your non-metallic character increases, and here your non-metallic character decreases. Okay. So we have finished the half part of your first lesson. Then we will discuss some questions in your next video. Then we will read your atomic number, atomic mass. Okay. Thank you.